But you're looking for someone like me.
Hello everyone, this is your AuthorSheilaD, and I hope you all are having a blessed day. Today I'm coming to you from Sam's Beach Bar, located in Hudson, Florida. And today I am having seafood pasta, the shrimp pasta, and I'm having crab cakes, which is this, which are delicious. I've had them before, I've been here before. And also I'm having a Arnold Palmer. And so I'm going to go ahead and dig in. And this is their delicious crab cakes. I do not own the rights to any of the music being played in the background. I cannot control what the restaurant plays. Okay, and this is my first time having their seafood pesto pasta. That's what it looks like. It tastes pretty good. This concludes my video. If you've enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also comment down below if you have a Sam's or some type of beach bar in your area, and let me know what you order. You're also welcome to share this video if you like, but most importantly, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching, and you have a blessed day.